Afternoon, children. Today we are going to start the English revision for SA1 exam. Okay, the first lesson is The Dog and the Donkey. Lesson number 5. Hard words. Washerman, washerman. Yamuna, Yamuna. Bundle. What is the third one, Nana? Yes, bundle. Remainder, remainder. Protect. Fifth one is protect. Sixth one, barked, barked. Permission. Seventh one, permission. Eighth one, donkey, donkey. Next, ninth one, river, river. Clothes, clothes. Now see the 11th one, Nana. Proudly, proudly. 12th one, compound. 12th one, compound. 13th one, guide, guide. 14th one, faithful, faithful. Disturbed. 15th one, disturbed. 16th one, mystic, mystic. 17th one, happily, happily. 18th one, what is the 18th one, Nana? Bark, bark. 19th one, angry, angry. And 20th one, master, master. Okay, Nana? Read all these hard words. I will give the missing letters for slip test. Nana, meanings. Remain, stay back. Remain, stay back. Protect, keep safe. Protect, keep safe. Realize, came to know. Realize, came to know. Pat, touch gently. Pat, touch gently. Threshold, beat. Drive, move away. Drive, move away. Now read all these meanings. Now see here opposites. Protect, attack. Protect, attack. Happy, unhappy. Happy, unhappy. Faithful, unfaithful. Faithful, unfaithful. See here again. Protect, attack. Happy, unhappy. Faithful, unfaithful. Favor, disfavor. Favor, disfavor. Disturb, comfort. Disturb, comfort. See now, favor, disfavor. Disturb, comfort. Question and answers. Why did the washerman go to the riverside? What is the question, Nana? Why did the washerman go to the riverside? The washerman went to the riverside to wash the clothes. The washerman went to the riverside to wash the clothes. Why the washerman went to the riverside, Nana? Yes, to wash the clothes. Next, second one. How did the donkey help the washerman? Donkey washerman ki ela help చేస్తుంది? The donkey helped the washerman by carrying the bundle on its back of the riverside. See, Nana? The donkey helped the washerman. The donkey helped the washerman by carrying the bundle on its back to the riverside. చాలా బండిల్ ఆఫ్ ఏమొస్తుందనన్నా చాలా బండిల్స్ తన యొక్క బ్యాక్ మీద రివర్ సైడ్కి మోసుకొని వెళ్తుందనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ వన్. వాట్ డిడ్ ద డాగ్ డూ? వాట్ డిడ్ ద డాగ్ డూ? డాగ్ ఏం చేసేది? ద డాగ్ ప్రొటెక్టెడ్ ద హౌస్. ద డాగ్ ప్రొటెక్టెడ్ ద హౌస్. ప్రొటెక్ట్ మీన్స్ కాపలా ఉంటుంది కదా డాగ్, అలా అనమాట. ద డాగ్ ప్రొటెక్ట్ ద హౌస్. Next, fourth question. What did the donkey do when it saw the thief? Donkey ఏం చేసిందన్నా thief ని చూసినప్పుడు? See again the question. What did the donkey do when it saw the thief? The donkey started braying when it saw the thief. ఏం చేసింది? డాంకీ అనమాట థీఫ్ని చూడగానే అరవడం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. ద డాంకీ స్టార్టెడ్ బ్రేయింగ్ వెన్ ఇట్ సా ద థీఫ్. చిల్డ్రన్, ఫిఫ్త్ క్వశ్చన్. వై డిడ్ ద మాస్టర్ గెట్ యాంగ్రీ? వై డిడ్ ద మాస్టర్ గెట్ యాంగ్రీ? మాస్టర్కి కోపం ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? సి, ద మాస్టర్ గాట్ యాంగ్రీ బికాస్ హీ వాజ్ డిస్టర్బ్డ్ బై ద డాంకీ. డాంకీ పడుకుంటే మాస్టర్ని డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తుంది కదా, అందుకోసం అని చెప్పేసి డాంకీ మీద మాస్టర్కి కోపం వస్తుంది. ద డాంకీ గాట్ యాంగ్రీ because he was disturbed by the donkey. Number 27. The first one is complete the following statements. Complete the following statements. See the first one. The washerman went to the dash with a bundle of dirty linen. Where the washerman was going daily? Is riverside. Here we have to write the answer. Riverside. R-I-V-E-R, river, S-I-D-E, riverside. See, the washerman went to the riverside with a bundle of dirty linen. Next, B bit. The donkey did the dash well, and the master was dash with him. What the donkey was did? Yes, the donkey did the work. Did the W-O-R-K work well, and the master was, how the master was? The master was happy. Right here the spelling of happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy with him. Next, see the C bit. As the dog was dash, the dash loved it. Dash loved it. As the dog was, how the dog was? Dog was faithful. Here we have to write faithful, F-A-I-T-H-F-U-L. The dog was faithful. Yes. Next, the dash loved it. Who loved it? Yes, master loved it. Here we have to write the spelling of master, M-A-S-T-E-R. Master loved it. Next, D bit. The donkey was always thinking of the master's dash to the dog. The donkey was always thinking of the master's dash to the dog. What is the answer here, children? Yes, favor. F-A-V-O-U-R, favor. The dog was always thinking of the master's favor to do to the dog. Next, E bit. The master dashed the dog with a long stick. Yes, see children, what the master was doing? Yes, long stick tone kodutunnadu. The master threshed, T-H-R-A-S-H-E-D, the donkey with a long stick. Next, sixth lesson, Helen Keller. See the hard words, Nana. Helen Keller. Second one, blind, B-L-I-N-D, blind, B-L-I-N-D, blind. Next, third one, deaf, D-E-A-F, deaf, D-E-A-F, deaf. Fourth one, naughty, N-A-U-G-H-T-Y, naughty, N-A-U-G-H-T-Y, naughty. Fifth one, education, E-D-U-C-A-T-I-O-N, education, E-D-U-C-A-T-I-O-N, education. Sixth one, popular, P-O-P-U-L-A-R, popular. Seventh one, remember, R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R, remember. Eighth one, success, S-U-C-C-E-S-S, success. Ninth one, service, S-E-R-V-I-C-E, service. Tenth one, Miss Sullivan, M-I-S-S, Miss Sullivan, S-U-L-L-I-V-A-N, Miss Sullivan. See children, first one is Helen Keller. Second one, blind. Third one, deaf. Fourth one, naughty. And next, fifth one, education. Sixth one, popular. Seventh one, remember. Eighth one, success. Ninth one, service. Next, 10th one is Miss Sullivan. The heading meanings. 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 In that meanings, first one is popular. Popular. What is the meaning of popular? Liked by many people. Liked by many people. Effort. Attempt. Effort. Attempt. Third one, deaf. One who can't hear. One who can't hear. One who can't hear. అంటే వినిపించని వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు కదా, వాళ్ళని డెఫ్ అంటారు. నెక్స్ట్, డెమ్. వన్ హూ కాంట్ స్పీక్. మాట్లాడని వాళ్ళు అనమాట. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఆపోజిట్స్. పాపులర్, అన్పాపులర్. పాపులర్, అన్పాపులర్. Difficult, easy. Difficult, easy. Began, close. Began, close. Success, failure. Success, failure. Normal, abnormal. Normal, abnormal. See children, now see the question and answers. First one, what happened to Helen when he was 12 months old? What happened to Helen when she was 12 months old? 12 months old appudu Helen ki emaindi? Now see the answer. When Helen was 12 months old, she became very sick. She became very sick, and her sickness made her blind, deaf and dumb. What her sickness made her blind, deaf and dumb. 12 months old అప్పుడు హెలెన్ ఏమైందంటే చాలా వీక్ అయిపోయింది. వీక్ అవ్వడం వల్ల ఏమైంది? కళ్ళు కనిపించకపోవడము, మాట్లాడకపోవడము, తనకి ఏమీ వినిపించకపోవడం అలా అయిందనమాట. చిల్డ్రన్, హూ విజిటెడ్ హర్ హౌస్ వెన్ హెలెన్ వాస్ 7 years old? Who visited her house? Who visited her house when Helen was 7 years old? 7 years old అప్పుడు ఎవరు వచ్చారంట విజిట్ చేయడానికి హెలెన్ వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి? See the answer. Miss Anne Sullivan visited her house when Helen was 7 years old. When Helen was 7 years old, who visited her house? Miss Anne Sullivan. Okay, the third question. How did Miss Sullivan started teaching Helen? How did Miss Sullivan started teaching Helen? ఎలా స్టార్ట్ చేశారు నాన్న? See, Miss Sullivan sat down beside little Helen. He sat down beside little Helen and placed a doll in her hand. And placed a doll in her hand. And slowly spelled the word. And slowly he spelled the word D-O-L-L, doll. And slowly he spelled the word doll. Okay, now see, Miss Sullivan sat down beside little Helen and placed a doll in her hand. And placed a doll in her hand. And slowly spelled the word D-O-L-L, doll. ఏం చేశాను నాన్న? సొల్వన్ పక్కకెళ్ళి కూర్చొని హెలెన్కి ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? ఎస్, డాల్ని చేతికి ఇచ్చారు. డాల్ని ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత స్లోగా డాల్ స్పెల్లింగ్ని స్పెల్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎవరికి చెప్తున్నారు? ఎస్, వెరీ గుడ్, హెలెన్కి చెప్తున్నారు. Children, now see the fourth question. What did Helen do for blind, deaf and dumb children? What the Helen do for blind, deaf and dumb children? Helen opened a special school for blind, deaf and dumb children. What he opened? He opened a special school. ఏం చేసిందంట? డెఫ్, డమ్, బ్లైండ్ చిల్డ్రన్ కోసం హెలెన్ కిల్లర్ ఏం చేశారు నాన్న? ఎస్, వెరీ గుడ్, స్పెషల్ స్కూల్స్ని ఓపెన్ చేశారు. ఎవరు ఓపెన్ చేశారు స్పెషల్ స్కూల్స్ని? హెలెన్. The fifth question. Why do people remember Helen Keller? Why do people remember Helen Keller? Helen Keller మనం ఎందుకు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి? See, people remember Helen Keller for her work, success and service. For her work, success and service. People remember Helen Keller for her work, success and service. Now Seema put a tick mark for the true and a into mark for the false statement. If the statement is true means we have to keep the tick mark. If the statement is false means we have to keep the into mark. Okay na? See here a bit. Helen Keller was an Indian. Helen Keller was an Indian. At first I told no as today's class at first I told. What I told? There was one American lady who was blind, deaf and dumb. Who is that American lady? But what is the statement here? Helen was an Indian lady. Here is the statement Indian lady అని ఇచ్చారు. కానీ హెలెన్ కెల్లర్ అమెరికన్ లేడీ అన్నమాట. So what is the statement? Statement is true or false? Yes, the statement is false. Just we have to keep the into. Okay nana? Next, B bit. When Helen was a little child, she was normal. When Helen was a little child, she was a normal. చూడండి నాన్న, హెలెన్ చిన్నప్పుడు ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంది? అందరూ ఎలా ఉంటారో అలానే ఉంది కదా. మాట్లాడేది, అన్నీ కనిపించేటివి, అన్నీ చూసేటివి, అన్నీ చెప్పేటివి కూడా వినేటిది. At the age of 12 months only, no, he was very sickness. Yes. So if is this statement is true or false? This statement is true. So here we have to keep the tick mark. Children, again I am telling, when Helen was a little child, she was normal. తను చిన్నగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలా ఉండేది అనమాట? నార్మల్గా. అందరు చిన్నప్పుడు పిల్లలు ఎలా ఉంటారో అలా ఉండేది. నెక్స్ట్ సి బిట్. Miss Anna Sullivan used to teach deaf and dumb children. Miss Anna Sullivan used to teach deaf and dumb children. I told no, in the paragraph, Anna Sullivan is a good teacher. And again, he used to teach the deaf and dumb children. No? So, is this statement is true or false? This statement is true. So, here we have to keep the tick mark. Slowly, Helen Keller began to speak the words. Slowly, Helen Keller began to speak the words. Is it right or wrong? Yes. Little Helen soon became interested in this finger playing. No, in a few days, she could spell the spelling of pen, hat, cup, water, and so on. Slowly, he began to speak the words. Yes. Slowly, Helen Keller began to speak the words. The statement is right. Keep the tick mark. Okay. Now see again. Helen Keller was an Indian. Helen Keller was an Indian. Wrong. She is an American lady. When Helen was a little child, she was normal. Yes, when she was a little child, she was normal. Right. Miss Anna Sullivan used to teach deaf and dumb children. Right. Slowly, Helen Keller began to speak the words. Slowly, he began to speak the words. Right. Now see the second bit, ma. Complete the following statements. Complete the following statements. See here. The blind persons dash see anything. Blind person dash see anything. Blind persons చూడగలరా? ఏమీ చూడలేరు. So here can't see anything. We have to write can't see. C-A-N-T. First stroke and T. Okay. The blind persons can't see anything. Second one. When Miss Helen Keller was a dash, she was normal. Here see here ma. When Helen was a little child, she was normal. What we have to write in this blank? Again I am repeating, Seema. When Miss Helen Keller was a dash, she was normal. Little child, write the spelling of little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little child. C-H-I-L-D. Child. See, when Miss Helen Keller was a little child, she was normal. At the age of 12 months బిఫోర్ 12 months కన్నా ముందు తను నార్మల్గానే ఉండేదన్నమాట. సి వెన్ మిస్ హెలెన్ కెల్లర్ వాజ్ ఎ లిటిల్ చైల్డ్ షీ వాజ్ నార్మల్. నెక్స్ట్ మిస్ సొలవన్ వాజ్ ఏ వెరీ డాష్ టీచర్. మిస్ సొలవన్ was a very dash teacher, very good teacher. Write the spelling of here, good. G-O-O-D, good. Miss Sullivan was a very good teacher. Okay, Nana? Next, D-bit. She was very dash with all the students and teachers. She was very dash with all the students and teachers. Popular. Here we have to write the spelling of popular. P-O-P-U-L-A-R. Popular with all the students and teachers. Thank you, children. Prepare well for your SA1 exams.